Automating bulk aerosol recharging can be done safely and efficiently with the right equipment and procedures. Start by selecting a purpose-built bulk recharge station rated for the propellant and container type you will handle, because mismatched equipment is the main technical risk. Use a multi-valve manifold that lets you charge several cans at once while isolating each line with a quick shutoff valve so a single fault does not pressurize the entire bank. Install an automated pressure regulator with digital readout and data logging so each can is filled to a repeatable target pressure and you can verify batch consistency. Fit adjustable flow restrictors or mass flow meters rather than relying on timed fills, since temperature and cylinder fill level change gas density and will otherwise produce inconsistent fills. Include mechanical safety interlocks that block filling unless each can is properly seated, and a second interlock that vents the manifold when a can is removed, preventing overpressure. Train operators to follow a written step-by-step procedure that covers seating, zeroing the regulator, initiating the automated cycle, verifying final pressure, and tagging cans with time and operator initials for traceability. Maintain a preventative maintenance schedule for seals, gauges, and fittings, and keep a simple troubleshooting checklist for common issues so downtime is minimized. The three most common mistakes are using time-based fills without compensating for temperature and source pressure, which leads to under or overfilled cans, relying on manual verification only, which creates inconsistent batches, and neglecting interlocks and maintenance, which increases safety risk. Fix time-based fills by switching to pressure or mass flow-controlled fills and calibrate for ambient conditions. Add routine automated verification with logged pressures and spot mass checks to catch drift before it affects large batches. Implement physical interlocks and a documented maintenance program so worn seals or leaks are detected early and cannot be bypassed during operation. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like bulk aerosol systems and workshop upgrades. Our site also hosts a discussion community where users and professionals exchange practical tips, supplier leads, and hands-on experiences to help projects move forward.